Outlook. Okay. So this is one things are there. So one by one, I will try to understand. So Outlook Office 365. Okay. Of course, our Microsoft Office 365 or Microsoft 365 is a cloud-based 365 kind of stuff. So it is my Outlook. If you see here, it is all our emails I received. These are all mails I received, which is I can able to read it from here. Okay, and I can send a mail through Outlook. I can send a mails through Outlook. So just click on new mail. You can compose the mail. We can send a mail. Okay, so I not open my emails, and I'm not making my mails in a web browser. So I will show you web browser kind of stuff. Gmail. See, it is I open a mails from my web browser for my Gmail, of course. So I can access my mails and I can compose the mails through my web browser. I am access my mails and I can compose the mails. I can compose the mails from my application. From my application. That is called a Outlook here. Okay, that is a simple Outlook. Again, where are we? This is here located. So today, so 19/01/2023. The first topic is Outlook, right? Okay. So, what is an Outlook? First of all, it is a mail. What is this? Mail client application, not server application. Mail client application. Mail client application. It is a part of Microsoft Office suite. What is Microsoft Office suite means? So you will get a Microsoft Office, right? Word, Excel, PowerPoint, presentation. Okay, same thing. Outlook also will comes like that only. It is a part of Microsoft Office suite. Yeah, when I'm using that is showing Office 365. Normal Office we can install in our PC and only we can access from our PC. But Office 365 is a cloud-based Microsoft. Different. So, Office old name it is Microsoft 365 is a new name, or Office 365 is Microsoft cloud-based Office, Microsoft Office from Microsoft. From Microsoft. This service called a software as a service. Okay, software as a service. Microsoft Office you can access through anywhere. Cloud means anywhere, any device we can access. Normally, Microsoft Office is only works for a Windows operating system. Of course, for Mac also coming, Mac also there. But Office 365 works on any platform. Okay, you can access or Office 365 means your Microsoft Office from anywhere, any device through internet. Okay, without internet also we can access from anywhere, any device, anytime. Okay, anytime through internet, anytime. So you need internet if you are accessing different devices. No, like for a web browser. For a browser, not for a mobile app. It means you can access from PC. Okay. Access online and offline also you can access. Access online, offline. Both we can access. Okay, that means through browser you can access and through application also you can access your Office 365 thing. Okay. Any device means it support your PC, laptop, mobile, tablets. Web browser means if you are having a other than Microsoft, you are using a different Microsoft, like you are using Linux based operating system. You can access your Office from web browser also. You need a web browser. Like a Google Chrome or a Microsoft Edge, any web browser, you can access your Office 365. This is just a small part I want to tell. Okay, it is a cloud-based Microsoft Office software as a service. You know, daily I'm taking attendance. This is Excel sheet, but I'm open from my browser. Okay, same Excel I can access through my laptop also. Okay, so both offline, online. If I want to access this one, I need internet. I want to access my Excel like this. If I want to access this Excel, I don't need internet. Okay, that's the point. This is a Office 365. So we are in the Outlook. Just we'll discuss that Outlook first. Let's understand what is the use of Office 365. It is a Microsoft mail client application. Very good. So how mail communication works? Simple story. How mail communication works. Okay. There is a mail server. Okay. There is a mail server. So I will put a heading like this. It is a mail server. Okay. Just understand how mail communication works. This is a mail server. Mail servers, a server become a mail server based on a what application or a package you install, then it will work. Like example, Microsoft Exchange application. Okay. So this mail server having a mail accounts and mailboxes. So it contains a mail account. For each account, there is a mailbox. For example, I have a user. For example, user 1 is there. User 1 mailbox is there. For this user 1's mailbox. So it controls users, authenticate users, and maintain mailboxes. What is meant by mailbox? Mailbox stores mails of the user. Mailbox stores mails of the user. Mails of a user. Okay. So for example, I have a client. The client is nothing but a user 1. Okay. You try to send mail to user 2. You send a mail to user 2. So what happens here? The mail is going to mail server. Mail go to mail server with a request, SMTP request. So user 1 sending a mail to user 2 with a request is SMTP request. So I hope you remember protocols. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what happens at here? There is a mail transfer agent, MTA. Okay, it's a service. Okay, it's a service. Understand what is your request. Okay, you want to send a mail, and to whom you are sending a mail? User 2. So it will forward the mail and put the mail into user 2 mailbox. So you send a mail, completed. Okay. So your part completed. You are send a mail, it is received. It is not received, it is went to mailbox of a user 2. Now there is a user 2, right? Is also there. Okay. Is a user 2 person. Want to check what is the mails I got it. Right? What we do? I went to the Gmail. I want to see what mails I got it. Right? First of all, I will check my mails. Right? So how it is happens? I'll send a request to the mail server. I'll send a request to mail server with the protocol IMAP version 4 or a POP3 will send. So there is two protocols. You can use either of IMAP or a POP3 kind of request. Okay, POP3 request. So I will tell the differences. So your mail transfer agent understand what is your request and forward, give the mailbox to you. This is arrow kind of stuff. All yeah, it's okay. So this mail transfer agent understand what is your request and connect you to this your mailbox. Okay. So what happened? Finally, you receive a content in the mailbox. So you can able to see what contents in your mailbox. If you compose the mail and you send, MTA will send to the destination. You compose the mail and send a user 3. MTA will send a mail to user 3 mailbox only. So what is the mailbox? It contains your mails. Okay. So this is the mail clients. These are the mail servers. from client. Okay. This is also client. User is to is a user client. It is a big picture. Why this is like this? Okay. Okay, guys. So how a machine become a mail server? So what it is? Mail server provide a mail services. Mail server provide a mail services. Okay. So it will provide a mail services. How a server become a how a server become a mail server by installing server applications. How a mail server become a mail server by installing mail server applications. What are there? For example, Microsoft Exchange application, Zimbra application, SquirrelMail application, Dovecot application, Postfix applications. Okay. So for example, my mail server is Microsoft Mail Server. So what I have to install? Microsoft Exchange application. My base machine, main server is Linux server. I install Zimbra application inside, then it become a mail server. So how a mail server become a mail server? By installing mail server related applications, and you should configure it. Okay, that's the point. Next, guys. So this is about your mail server and the client access. This is part I added wantedly because of this is a if nowadays we can't configure, but this is when we do, we understand much better. Okay. Earlier days we have a IBM, this Domino mail server is there. Domino is a mail server and Lotus Note is a mail client application. When it is under IBM, now this Domino mail server comes under HCL. HCL take over this mail server. HCL, they use a Domino mail server and HCL nodes. Instead of Lotus nodes, name change it to mail server. Okay. Okay. I didn't add it. Why? Because of this is the pairing part. Server and client pairing part. This is general part. Okay. Not pairing. Pairing means it is this is a server, this is a client. This is a server. Client can be different. Clients are there. Depends upon your configuration. Okay. So mail server. How a machine become mail server? By installing mail servers. Guys, in mail communication, we need a three main protocols. We need a three main protocols: SMTP, POP3, IMAP. These are the three main protocols. Okay, SMTP, POP3, and IMAP. So I put a heading here: protocols used in mail communication. Okay, so SMTP, simple mail transmission protocol. When you're sending a mail or your outgoing mail server address is we have to tell in a SMTP mail server. Your outgoing mail server, like you're sending a mail or your outgoing mail server is SMTP. The port number is 25. Port number is by default, port number is 25. Okay. And why these numbers are there? Big numbers are there. So this is over SSL or TLS. Okay. Over SSL or TLS. So guys, I already explained HTTP, HTTPS differences. Okay. So if you see, this is HTTPS link. Okay. So I open a website here, HTTPS. What is the difference? HTTP is a web communication. I can access web pages through HTTP. And HTTPS is secure. Okay. HTTPS is a over SSL or TLS kind of stuff. It means, or SSL means data is encrypted with SSL or TLS certification technique, like a certification. Algorithms are there inside. Okay. So HTTP, HTTPS. HTTP, whatever the data you are transmitting or receiving, not encrypted. HTTPS, whatever the data you are sending and receiving through the web services, it is encrypted. So if anyone is catch your data while you are transmitting or receiving, they don't understand. So HTTPS is mainly recommended for banking kind of stuff and email communications nowadays and social media related. So because data is a vulnerable data, it is anybody can able to take it. If it is encrypted, so they cannot able to decrypt it, that much not easy. Okay, they follow different encryption techniques. Okay, HTTP, HTTPS. Why I told this one again? This is the one of the question. What is the difference between HTTP and HTTPS? HTTP, while you are transmitting data through the web services, data is not encrypted. This is encrypted. It is secure. It is secure. Same way, if using 25 port number means only SMTP. If you are using SMTP, not encrypted. If you are using SMTP over SSL or TLS, it is encrypted.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Same way, go for a POP3. 110 is a basic protocol, but over SSL and TLS, the port number will be changes. IMAP is the same way. Okay, same for a IMAP also. Over SSL or TLS, the port number is different, 993. Okay, so while we are communicating, we don't use the base port one. Over SSL or TLS, we are using, that's the port numbers will be changes. So we understand SMTP, that is a sending purpose, but for receiving purpose, okay, instead of receiving, I said retrieve. Why receive means you send, other person will send, you will receive. You are sending, other person will receive, but other person will send, you will receive, right? That is called receiving. But I've written retrieve instead of receive. Incoming mail server. Retrieve means the mails in your mailbox. You ask a mail server, I want my mails. I want to see my mails. What is the content in my inbox? I want to see. That is called a mailbox. Okay. Next. So what is the difference between both are for retrieving purpose? Then what is the difference? Here it is IMAP version 4 and POP3. IMAP is a cut and paste, copy paste type. Copy paste means this is my mail server. This is my client. So the mails are in the mailbox. The mails are in the mailbox. So when a client retrieve the mail, so he see the mail and download the mail. Okay, the mails are still available in the mail server and client side also. I downloaded all mails into my client machine, but mails are available in both server and as well as the client. That is called a
IMAP before.
IMAP version 4. Just it is version, guys, latest version. That's it. Okay, version 5 is not came. Maybe in few earlier days they use a version 3. We don't know that one. Okay, so it keep a copy in both server and local PC, local client PC. Mail is not completed or that is a secondary part. And I want to add one more point here. Okay, IMAP. So used for multiple applications. Okay. Mail client applications. Example, I want to access through Outlook web browser. What we know, that is I'm trying to tell. Okay, your mobile mail application, right? Right, you have in mobile phone you have a Gmail app is there. In mobile phone you have a Gmail app. Outlook, you configure your Gmail. Outlook, you configure a Gmail. In browser you can access your Gmail. So your mails are in a mail server. You can access from any type of clients, and all mails are in the mail servers only. Okay, you can access through your mobile application. You can access through your Outlook application. Your access through web browser. So like that. So you can see all your mails. Nothing is missing. Okay, like that. POP3 is a kind of stuff. When to use IMAP, when to use POP3 also there, guys. That is I will tell. This is cut and paste type. Okay, just for our understanding, we are telling cut and paste. Just for a quick understanding. But really it is not cut and paste or copy paste kind of stuff. Okay, see again, it is a mail server. The mail server contains mailbox, which contains a user mails. Right? So whenever this user downloaded a mails, downloaded means using application like it can be a mobile application or it can be a Outlook kind of application. Once he download an mails, it stores in this local PC only. Okay, whenever he download a mail stores in the local PC. Once download completed, it will be removed. It will be deleted from the mailbox. So your mailbox kept empty. Yeah, whenever user retrieved a mail and download a mail into local PC, the mail will be deleted from user. It is a use only for it is for like a single mail client applications purpose only. Okay, so application can be a mobile application or Outlook kind of stuff. Single mail client application, because the mails are in the application, not in the mail server now. Once mails is downloaded into your local PC and it will be removed from the server. It is depends upon configuration, guys. No guarantee warranty for that one. Depends upon a server configuration. Then question is why? We said IMAP. I said a POP3. Why we are using this kind of stuff? Why? Okay, so why POP3 is important? Why IMAP is important? Of course, there is an explanation here. I given already some kind of explanation how we access the mail and one way and another way, and why we need a POP3 and why we need a other things. Okay, just I'm gonna try to explain directly, try to understand. Okay, I will tell a story, guys. This is my personal story again. Okay. Okay, personal stories are better because you can easily tell the story. Okay. So here it is what happened when I joined in one organization. They gave me their organization email ID. You know, now my mailbox size is 50 MB. 50 MB mails. So what is the thing stores here? Both received mails and send mails also. Mail means two things, three things. Okay. The third one we don't worry, but four things are there
That
otherwise.
one is a draft.
Yeah, that's why I said. Okay. First one is your inbox. Inbox means received mails. Second one is sent mails. Received mails, sent mails. So you can see this inbox, received mails. Sent items. What are you? Send mails. Drafts. Draft means uncompleted sending. So mail is not sent, just it is mail you compose. Either you click on send button, you closed it. Either you click on send or maybe you close it. But mail is not sent, composed but not sent. That is called a draft. Deleted items. You deleted a mail, but you are not completely deleted from your servers. It is deleted items. I deleted a lot of mails, but I didn't delete it from here. So these mail also will be in my mailbox. Okay. So these are all inbox, sent items, drafts, delete items. Draft, sent. Okay, these are all located here in the my mailbox only. So this 50 MB is not enough, right? Seriously, some people are doing a lot of work on a mail communication. They have to send a mail, they have to receive a mail. Okay, so they just got a call. So I am accessing these mails in from my web browser. Okay. Okay. It is a web browser. What happened? I can see the mails. I didn't download into my local PC. Okay. I can see the mails. I can send a mail. I can receive a mail. So after few days, mailbox is full. After few days, mailbox is full. Then what happened? I have to delete some mails. Received mails, sent mails, drafts, delete mails. I have to delete all these things. Okay, any unimportant mails are there, I have to delete. So then some of free space will create in a mailbox, then I can receive a new mail. Remember guys, if mailbox is full, if mailbox is full, you cannot send or receive a mail. You cannot, either you cannot send it or receiving won't work here if in case mailbox is full. This is also one troubleshooting. Okay. So that to some small mailbox sizes, if mailbox is full, it will be full very fast. So I'm accessing through the web browser. Okay, the mails are stored in my mailbox and either I have to delete old mails to get a new mail. So what is the second option? Second option is I better configure Outlook. Okay, I install Outlook application. I configure an Outlook. I'll give this mail server information, SMTP information, and POP3 information. Okay, POP3 information, SMTP, username, password, I will configure in Outlook. Why POP3? See it is. When I retrieve a mail, so I will take another color to understand, guys. When I retrieve a mail to my Outlook, the mail will be downloaded into local PC, local device, mails are stores. Mails are stored in a local PC. POP3 remove the mails once you are downloaded. So your mailbox is always free. Okay. Think like this. You received a mail, go to mailbox. You retrieved a mail, you delete from the mailbox. Okay. Okay. And of course, there is a configuration. Wait for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day kind of stuff. Configuration is also there. Or you have to want to keep both the copies, you can keep both the copies. Okay, it depends upon configuration, but simply guys, why POP3 is important here? Because of my mailbox is smaller. Whenever I download a mails into local PC, mailbox from mail will be deleted from the mailbox. Now my mailbox become free. So I can continuously able to send and receive a mails because my mailbox never full until unless I don't check my mails. I shut down my laptop and I don't check the mails. Okay, so that is a part. So then it will be full. But whenever you check mails, you will download a mail into your mailbox. Mails are in your local PC. Mails are stored in your local PC. Guys, understand this? Why POP is we are using? What is use of POP? Guys,
Yes, sir.
next. Okay. So why we need this Outlook? Why we need this Outlook kind of stuff and things? Okay. Why we need an Outlook and what is the problem with this local storing kind of stuff? Okay. Thing is, mails will be in the, if you are using how to do this one, this is Outlook. With Outlook only you can get it. Okay. I'm using Outlook application and I download a mails into my local PC. Where is the mails now? Mails in the local PC, not in the mailbox. Okay. Good thing, right? So now my internet is down. Internet is not working. My internet is down. Still I can able to access my received mails. If I disconnect from the email, my internet, if I disconnect my mail, okay. If I disconnect my internet, yeah, okay, I will deal with that one later. So when I request, yeah. Whenever I received a mails, I can able to see. Okay, received mails I can see with or without internet. I can compose the mails with or without internet. That is a thing, right? So what is the Outlook use? Mails will be downloaded into your local PC. Either it is a POP3 or IMAP protocol. Either it is a POP3 protocol you are using or IMAP protocol you are using. Okay. In Outlook, whatever you configure, Outlook will try to store your mails in local PC. Okay. So with or without internet, you can check already downloaded mails. To download a mail, to send a mail, we need internet. Okay, we need a internet to download a new mail. Okay, or to send a new mail, we need a internet. But once you downloaded a mail, you already downloaded a mail, you can check it without internet. Without internet. So that is understand what is the use of Outlook. Okay. If you are accessing a mails through the web browser, if no internet, you can't access. Internet is disconnected, you can't access the mails. You can't do anything. You have to log in, right? First of all, you can't log in without a internet. So that is the thing. So why we are using Outlook? Why we are using Outlook? Whether it is POP3 or IMAP protocol, the mails will be downloaded into local PC with or without internet. You can see the downloaded mails. You can compose the mail. But to send a mail or to retrieve a mail, we need a internet. Okay, this is one thing. Okay. If you access through web browser, if you are accessing through web browser, the mails are not stored in your local PC, so you cannot able to access. You can't able to access mails without internet. Without internet. You guys understand what is the Outlook? Outlook is a mail client application which belongs to Microsoft. This belongs to Microsoft. It is a mail client application. Microsoft Office. Okay. Using Outlook, you can download a mails. You can download a mails into your local PC. Okay. You can access these downloaded mails anytime with or without internet. But to send a mail, or to receive a mail, or to download a mail, you need internet. Okay. The downloaded mails you can access without internet. Okay. Do you understand, guys, what is the use of Outlook? Hmm. Hmm? Do you understand what is Outlook? Yeah, there's no response, nothing again.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, guys,
Yes, sir.
if you are using a IMAP, if you are using a IMAP, you can access the mails from multiple clients. Same mails you can able to access multiple clients, but make sure your mailbox is bigger. Okay, you can access through multiple clients. You can access through web browser. You can access through Outlook. You can access through mobile applications. You can access through multiple clients. The mail server will be in the mail server. Okay, if you are using app, mail can be located, stored into your local machine also. Okay, that is a IMAP. POP3 is a one single type app only works. You download a mail, it remove from the mail server, so then other mail clients cannot get anything. Like now I want to access through web browser, my mailbox is empty already. Okay, that is the point. But POP3 there is a problem. Okay, I said POP3 is download once you download a mail. Okay, this is a server. Okay, this is the client. I am using a POP3. Okay, POP3 server to POP3 client. Mails will be in your local machine. So it will be empty mailbox. So problem is if in case the main client machine is down, hard disk is corrupted. Hard disk is corrupted means you can't access the mails. Mails are not here, mails are not available. Problem? What to do? Better to take backup regularly. You have to take backup. You are using a POP, compulsory you have to do backup. Of course, I can't able to show you any of one thing like a how to configure a Outlook, how to take a backup of Outlook, sending and receiving a mail kind of stuff. Okay, these things practically I can't able to show you guys. Okay, and this is not a time also. Okay, but thing is in a POP there is a problem that is mails are not in your mailboxes because of your 1 hour you downloaded into local PC, mails in your local PC only, not even other clients. So if in case your storage got corrupted or system is down, you can't access the mails. Okay, that is one thing. Better to take a backup daily. This is one problem. I am telling another problem is also there. What is the problem? For example, guys, these mails, I can check it from my Outlook and from my web browser. Means if I remember my email ID and password, I can access my mails from my Outlook, my web browser, and my mobile phone also. Mobile app is also there. Outlook mobile application. That one also, like sometimes I do traveling, right? So I do traveling when I'm going to my hometown or somewhere I do traveling. Going to office, going to home. Okay. So I got a mail, I have to give immediate reply. How will I do? From my mobile application. Okay, Outlook, mobile application is there. So mails will be, I can access the mail will be accessed through like this. In present. Okay. Okay, guys. So I can use my mobile application. So then I can read my mail and I will reply from the mobile also. If I came direct home or maybe I came to office, I can use my Outlook to give mail communication. Sometimes app is not working, and maybe I'm in a remote place. I use a web browser to access the mail. Okay, that's the point I am trying to say. Next point is mail. Okay, but with this POP3, the point is with the POP3, you download a mail into your local PC, you should access mails from your device only. Either you access from here or not. That's it. So you have to compulsory go to your laptop or desktop where your mail is configured. You have to access from here only. You can't access from any other devices if you are using POP3. Okay, these are the pros and cons, guys. So again, I'm telling if mailbox size is smaller, we use POP3. Okay, can I do again? I'll write again. I told about Outlook, but I'm telling about POP3 and IMAP. Okay, if my mailbox is smaller, smaller mailbox, better is go to POP3. Why? Because of mails will be stored in your local PC anytime you can access with or without internet. Okay, and it is a single, it is a kind of single client type. Only one client app you can able to access. Only one single client app you can able to access, not multi-client apps. Whereas IMAP, okay, multi-client app, multiple clients you can able to access, and you can store in local PC, or you can use a web browser, or you can use a mobile phone. Mails are available in mailbox and as well as a your client device apps. Okay, it's a multi-client. For example, guys, your laptop is corrupted, your disk is gone. No problem, because your mail still in the mailbox. Okay, your hard disk is corrupted. No problem, mails are in the mail server. That's the point. Okay, but here it is. If in case your local PC is damaged, mails are not here and mails are not able to access, so it is total damage. That is another thing. And next one is already I told, that is if I'm using a laptop, I usually go through Outlook to find I can go through Outlook and access my mails. If I'm doing traveling, means while I'm in journey, I use my mobile phone to access my mails, mobile application. Sometimes Outlook application is not working, I use a web browser to access my mails. Okay, that is my multiple client access is there. Okay, but here it is, if you are configured with POP3, you have to go to that particular machine only. You cannot access from different client applications. Of course, you can send and receive, but you can't see your old mails. Okay, this is the way, guys. This is the point I told here. This is first of all for understanding understanding the way of accessing mails. Two ways. One is through web browser, another one is Outlook, right? So mail server store mail in the user's mailbox. User will retrieve mails from the mailbox. How to access the mails? The first way is we can go to web browser. Normally we are using Gmail, right? Gmail username, password. So you can see your mailbox. We can see mails anytime, any device through internet. You can see your mails anytime, any device through internet. If internet is down, we can't access mail because mails are showing in the web browser only, which is not downloaded into your local PC. All mails are stored in a mailbox. Okay. Based on the mailbox size, it may full after some days of use. So we cannot store more mails and we have to delete old mails to get a new mails. That is already explained. Okay. I think this is I'm just reading only. If mail server is unavailable down, also we can't able to access the mails. Okay. Next one is second way of accessing mails. Second way of accessing mails. Okay. Using mail client applications like Outlook. Second way is using an Outlook kind of applications. We have to configure Outlook to send and receive a mails. Once mails are downloaded Outlook app, the mails are available in your local PC. The mails are available in the local PC. If internet is down, still we can able to access the mails. Using POP3, you download mails from mail server to local PC. Once mails are downloaded, it will be removed from the mail server, means mailbox. Mails are in local PC. Anytime you can access mails without with or without internet. To receive a mails, to, to receive a mail or send a mail, we need a internet. So compulsory you have to take a backup of your local PC to store mails separately, not in the same hard disk, guys. Backup means people think they store in the same hard disk. If hard disk is gone, entire mails are gone. Okay. If hard disk is gone, entire mail communication is gone. This is what I'm trying to say. Guys, understand up to here? There is a two type of files. There is a two type of files are there. Okay. Either this or that, not both. Okay. .ost, .pst files are there. So what is this? You download a mails from mail server, right, into your local PC. This is your local PC. You download a mails through your Outlook application. Okay. Your Outlook application. This is your Outlook application. You download a mails into your local PC. So where is the mails are located? In your local PC. This is your mails on your local PC. My mails are in the local PC. This is my local PC. My mails are in the local PC. This mail means it's a file. It's a kind of file. It is also a file. It's database file. It is a Outlook. What is it called? Outlook data file. Outlook data file contains mails, your mails. Okay. Next, this Outlook data file having an extension called OST or PST. Again, what is Outlook data file, guys? Your mails are stored in your local PC. It is stored in local PC. The mails are stored in your local PC. Okay. Okay. So it will be stored in a file, right? That is called Outlook data file. That is having an extension .pst or .ost. I will show you my .pst or .ost. .pst means personal storage table, OST offline storage. Your mail server is a Microsoft Exchange or a Microsoft 365 kind of stuff. So that is your Exchange mail server is this is the one. Okay, so .ost. So your local file is .ost, offline storage table. If you are using different, means like a Zimbra, your mail server is Zimbra mail server. Okay, or maybe your Dovecot, Postfix. Okay, you are using a SquirrelMail, different mail servers, not Microsoft, non-Microsoft mail communication. It is then your Outlook data file is .pst. I'll show you mine. So this is the file. This is account settings, data files. It is my email and this is my data file. Browse folder location. Okay. If you see, it is a .yst. Something name came, that is .nsd came. I don't know what it is. .yst. It's a data Outlook data file. Outlook data file. It is .yst. Because of my mail server is a Microsoft. My mail server is a Microsoft mail server. Microsoft Office 365 or a Exchange, Microsoft Exchange server. Okay, from Exchange it is .yst. Okay, so .pst is generally if mail server is other than Microsoft. Where mail server is Microsoft means Microsoft Exchange, then it is OST. If it is not, then generally it is .pst type only. Okay, you guys understand .ost, .pst?
Yes, sir.
Very good. No, there is a you said like I want to learn a Outlook. What is things to learn Outlook, guys? How to configure an Outlook? How to configure an Outlook for a Gmail account or your Office account like that? How to configure an Outlook is important. But I already told I can't show you, and if you want, you can go to that link. Okay, and backup. So you already configure, and you have to configure the backup. So regularly you have to take a backup. So if in case your server is down or your hard disk is get damaged, so you have a backup of your mails. Troubleshooting, unable to send or receive mails or applications. Okay, there is some troubleshooting related issue. Mail trace configurations are there. 2CC BCC, what it is also there. I'll tell 2CCC BCC. When you send a mail, you'll give two address. For example, your user 1 sending a mail to user 2. So user 2 knows who sent a mail, that is user 1. User 1 knows who sent a mail and user 1 and also the mail is go for a user 2. The main responding person is main recipient is user 2 only. CC is a carbon copy. For example, I put a user 3 in this list. Of course, now mail sent to user 2 and user 3 also. But main recipient is user 2, notification for a user 3. But user 2 knows to whom mail is sent, who sent a mail, to whom it is sent, who is the CC candidate. Who is the CC candidate? BCC, blind carbon copy. You send a mail to user 4 and user 5 and mention at a BCC, blind carbon copy. It means user 1, user 3, user 2, sorry, user 2, user 3, user 4, user 5 received a mails. User 1, sorry, user 2, user 3 knows who are the recipients, but no one knows these people. Example, user 4 don't know same mail sent to user 5. User 5 don't know the same mail sent to user 4. Okay, we will send a mass emails like 100 emails at a time. So we'll in a BCC will tell all 100 names, all 100 email IDs in the same mail, but no one knows other recipient email IDs. Okay, they got a mail, they think they got a mail, but same mail can be sent to multiple users at a time. Okay. Backup explanation also I have given guys in the bottom, and some configuration thing. This is a backup, Outlook backup. Go to file, go to import and export, go to import and export, export to a file, select Outlook data file.bst, select your inbox or all boxes and give the location and name and select any of these options as per your requirement. Then backup will be completed. Configuration is this one guys. You have to select like this. This is the configuration part. Either you can give email account or a manual setup or additional server type. Your mail server is Microsoft or Microsoft Office 365. You have to select the first option. If you are using a different mail kind of stuff, not Microsoft, it is Zimbra kind of stuff. It is okay, or Gmail kind of stuff. POP3 or IMAP. Next, when you select account type, whether it is a POP3 or IMAP, so you have to give incoming mail server details, outgoing mail server details, username, email ID, and a password. And also you have to configure few things. In more settings, you have to tell about your outgoing server and what protocol you are using. I'm here using POP3. So my SMTP server protocol is 587 on a SSL or TLS, and my POP3 is a 995. Okay, and it will remove your mails once you downloaded into your local PC after 14 days. In server, it will remove after 14 days. That is default. So you can change it later. Okay, guys, this is how you can configure your Outlook. You have to test after configuration. There is a test will be open, test account settings. If test is successful, you can start doing work. So this is importing, and this is what I'm trying to say, configuration. Troubleshooting, unable to receive and send a mails or a I'm unable to send and receive a mails because of, okay, what is the problem? What is the problem to try to understand, guys? You're sending mails and receiving a mails. What can be an issue? What can be an issue? Maybe internet. Maximum 5 minutes. అయిపోయింది వస్తాను మళ్ళీ రావాల్సింది. Okay, you have to check internet. Configuration changes, password changes, maybe configuration is changed, maybe password changes. Okay, mailbox, like mailbox is maybe full. These are the 4 kind of stuff. Application problem, your Outlook application problem. Okay. Outlook application issues. If Outlook application issue, what to do? Any application issue, guys, very simple. Very simple. Go to control panel, This is any application issue. Two things. One is go to control panel, programs and features, application. Okay, so click on change or repair. So try repair. Okay, repairing kind of stuff. Second, uninstall. Okay, uninstall, change or repair. These options are there. First one is try repair. Otherwise, repairing not working, uninstall. If you do uninstall, restart, guys. If you do any uninstallation, you have to restart and reinstall. So these are the complete your Outlook. Okay, guys, got it? Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Guys, take a break.